Hey there, this is Christina with WTI. Having a bad hair day? Then you need the perfect beanie. And you can look cute and trendy. I love this beanie from CC. It is the two-tone black charcoal, and I just think it is adorable. I got it for a ski trip I was going on, and it kept my head so nice and warm and my ears as well. Skiing, it stayed on the whole time. It's so comfortable and soft. It is absolutely the perfect beanie. If you are looking for a beanie for a winter trip or just to cover a bad hair day, you want to look cute and trendy, I definitely would recommend this beanie from CC, and that's my point of view.